SL4 to Canary Wharf. Bearing Road, Cooper's Lane. SL4 to Canary Wharf.
No, I'm just curious to see how they're going to play.
This, yeah, I went to the actually right outside. There's no way actually.
And it's free.
Alright, listen.
Heather Road. Farmcote Road. Harland Road. SL4 to Canary Wharf. St Mildred's Road.
I have to say to Hayley, have you been on Superloop She's got the first week off. Picked her husband up next to me, and the children taking them down to dinner. Do you remember where Jessie Brett lives? What town does she live in?
Stress.
that's where Hayley comes from. Because I said, oh, next to us lives near Crediton. And she said, that's where I was living. She said, oh, between Exeter and Crediton, in a village called New something or other. I went, oh, sure, a friend of ours. I said, it's not a very big place. And so I said, that's not English. And I don't know it. I said, it's not really on anybody's radar, really. I thought it was news. It just rang a bell. So I filled out and handed to text Jessie just say, where did you know as a child? It's only because I don't think it's a big town. And if Hayley...
We've driven through it.
Yeah.
We've driven
Past it. Yeah.
house.
And I'm just thinking if Hayley came from that, they probably would know each other. Okay.
Westhorn Avenue.
The SL4.
Lee Station.
That's what Luke said. I can't believe we're trying to persuade us all to go there. I said, you're going to be jealous because we're going to the tunnel before you. I went, no, he said, you're going to the bloody
SL4. 2. Canary Wharf.
We can go to Blackheath. It's easy to get to. Go straight to it and then rather get a cab afterwards. Go up to the station, yes. I think it said 11 to midnight. Yeah.
Mitchell Diva Road.
I thought it was nice that. Yeah. I'll buy the Christmas tree first, then have lunch. We can get on the Superloop.
Get really pissed and buy really shit tree.
SL4. 2. Canary Wharf. Burnt Ash Road, Lee Road.
Things like Tony Henry's like. They were going to open it originally 2 phases, like both up to Blackheath.
Manor Way.
It's a bit like Dulwich around here, the houses. They just nodded. They go for so frequently every 8 minutes. Bored up to
Priory Park. Blackheath Station.
Yeah, the Four Seasons.
Training.
Well, he saw a pair of shoes on a sunbed. He didn't look into training apparently.
Some had come in and he said, running. Swimming.
Superloop stops at the wrong bus stop. It's nice couple. Everybody's coming along to experience it.
SL4
New bus driver. Figure out what
to
bus stops are.
Canary Wharf.
I couldn't see you. Sit there.
Food and drink. That must be really bad. Yeah. One in Hampstead and one in Regent's Park. They have 2 school buildings.
We're going to
Partnership.
keep looking. We need to get our bearings. I don't really. For me, this isn't Blackheath. For me, I think Blackheath is where the school is.
Royal Parade.
So I think they need to
Makes more sense. This is
is
basically, I think this is closer to the park. Oh look, down there. Oh yeah, look, there's a fun fair. Pretty good actually. So do you want to come here? Oh god, look, you've got a big top. There we are, yeah, so I've been to Blackheath. I went there with Hugh Boy when he was living here.
It was definitely a pub. Yeah, we just went past it.
No, it wasn't the Cricketers, the Sun and something. I'm sure we used to go there.
SL4
Huh. I just say it's
to
quite space age. Isn't
Canary Wharf.
It's quite different, isn't it?
I know. Different take on the station.
Yeah, so we have something.
Montpellier Road.
Till the 21st, Sam, would you go there? Oh my god, look at that one. That's what you did, Sam. It's up to you and Alice if you'd go there, yeah? So you can remember, Sam, this is basically near the heath. Near the heath. It's really funny, like where we are is a completely different part.
Won't get turned away on a Sunday.
Where we are is much more the Greenwich side.
This is the Princess of Wales Pond.
Did you ever come here? So this is more. This is probably the Blackheath. I think that's probably the Greenwich Park. Greenwich Park's got a wall around it, isn't it?
St. German's Place.
Good, Sam. I'm enjoying this. I'll work a bit more now. Love these beautiful coloured houses. As well. Well, we'd cope with the road, yes you would, because they're gigantic, multi-million-pound period houses. They're like mansions, aren't they, really?
Shooters Hill Road, Stratheden Road.
Ooh. Are they powered up by the bus's own engine, or do they reduce the battery or not? Do you know anything about these buses? If I did this, what would that do?
Do you fast stop them?
Oh. And it's completely electric. It's an electric double decker. I thought that was impossible.
It used to be, but now it is. And I love all that.
The pointers got all that stuff. What's the bus forms make of all electric double deckers? Don't know.
They're not always.
Pointer school, I'm going to walk here. Maybe where this Alice has been is more down that area. Diagonally down there, I think. Ooh, Sam, it's definitely woke me up a bit. When you say Lewisham, you don't really think of this type of thing. The Super is actually quite busy, isn't it?
He's living in one of those houses. Right next to the bridge.
That is sometimes is the trade. I actually don't think Mum could live in it.
Oh, there's some nice side streets there. One more stop down, and then it's this.
Imagine most of those. So these, it's a Shooters Hill Road, this area.
Shooters Hill Road, Kidbrook Park Road.
Kidbrook. I think Mum was there. But if you have 6 steps, you are right on flipping busy road. Right, so this is the coming up to Balloon Moor and closer to Charlton, I think. Eltham.
That is just. And after this.
Blackheath station is in Lewisham, but I think Blackheath School might be in Greenwich. Oh, Silvertown Tunnel, Sam. Oh, good time. We'll take a video when we go in.
Because it has lights on it.
I'll tell you.
Would you ask if you
Let's
change the
take a
colour?
video
I think it should be
of the
green.
windows. I forgot we're going under a special needs car. And that's the, is this the busy road that bisects? License there, basically, which is alright. Just accept that you're in the, you're not in the.
That is where Mum was going.
Well, that's where
In
Mum
that
was
area.
to check it out. So.
Is
Is it nice?
This is some Victorian houses.
What's that tell? Seeing the lunch next week, it will be.
Sounds nice.
Bradley,
Sounds, they are definitely. Look, they're definitely the right style. You can tell Mum we did some window looking.
She got free.
Look, they're definitely the right style, Sam. I'm not sure this is the exact right road. I haven't bothered to look over it. Enjoying this? And flicking out.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
This is a new tunnel, you say?
Oh, the old one.
Tell me when I get the countdown one. How would you say overall you've enjoyed your special trip out? Like that. I'm allowed to have a look at apps in this world, aren't I?
That's strictly for Disney.
I like a micro nap. There was this It was a line.
There's actually
Oh, it's this North Greenwich now.
no, yeah.
What's that? It's like
That's just Millennium Leisure Park.
so that's on the other side of this road, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh. In my mind, I thought this road, that was that side. I can see that. Huh? Is it actually able to go fast?
Yes.
And these ones definitely don't. Oh. Thank God, Sam. Because they used to tell me stories of that. I don't know, trying to explain that the buses catch a wild. Now, would I rather get that super slow Ferris wheel that we got, or the cable car, Sam? What do you think? There's something I find really stressful about slow movements up high.
Okay, but you can get to the camera.
Oh.
Silvertown Tunnel.
That's why I said to Luke used to register for online.
Go in it.
It's right here.
That's it. You already see much. Oh, this is it. Going in. Going in, Sam. Wow. How long does it take to go through? That's cool. I'll do one throughout the other end though. Or not?
You don't come out the other
Oh,
end.
I'm using your camera, Sam.
My phone will teach us.
Yeah, just get that. We can do a picture of it. Alright. Which we don't come out the other end.
You don't. You just stay in here forever.
Oh, right. Do you want to come out the other end?
You actually just stay in here.
Oh, so I want to avoid.
Quite a pedestrian allowed in here, considering the house that you're going to either side.
Well, that's more for emergencies.
How's that bus?
Top floor. Top floor fancy.
bus and get another bus to Charlton. Stunning weather.
This is the idle place roundabout.
I enjoyed that, Sam. I definitely enjoyed doing it the other direction as well. So we could go to the up to 21st of April, Sam, if you want to go to that. That fun fair. What do you think? Is that the one that people get stabbed at?
That's a dodgy.
Well, at least we're going to picnic tomorrow. I think we need a tactical map of what we're going to get, Sam, at lunchtime.
It's something really big thing. It has to serve London City Island.
Why?
Maybe like all the fat stuff. All those people. So it's like go under itself.
Have you ever seen anybody getting on or off at London City Island?
Right?
Have you ever seen anyone actually living in there?
Does it look very busy? Ballymore's the people do.
It's very dense, but they put in enough stuff. Seems to be people there.
There's the OG. It's coming up.
Very cool. Look, can you believe we climbed up? There's people climbing there.
I know.
You have to make that top. So you might do indoor skydiving for your birthday, Sam, yeah?
In fact, my birthday's in like 9 months.
Yeah. We plan it 9 months in advance more.
See.
It's because we don't come this way from
Welcome to Tower Hamlets.
What a great start.
Very cool. Very cool. Where does this drop us off then, Sam? We're at the the roundabout.
Well, it's meant to, but actually doesn't.
Huh?
It just goes. Literally just goes one stop before. Oh. Superloop behind court.
So do you like the Superloop better than that?
We'll go back again.
Never mind, not so great.
Fish Island. It just looks unfinished. Or unfished. Yeah. That's how I do.
Here's like the D3 tower.
Yeah, I'm sure we've been through this creepy little park before. Do you remember getting on the D3 here?
Leamouth, Orchard Place.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's worth it. I was going to go to this really tiny little area.
I guess you could just see half the buses served here. That'd be really cool.
It's supporting.
Just to serve that stop takes about a 5 minute,
Not 5 minutes.
3 minutes.
Pretty long.
Leamouth Road.
Have you entered your tier 4 competition yet?
No.
Can you do that today for your brain out?
How do I even write a sob story?
What's your sob story?
I could speak to about 4.
Oh. TFL helped you speak.
I know, right?
It's true though, sir.
Peter.
And what your first words was that?
Do something. was actually.
No, it wasn't. The first word was like, no. Remember he couldn't be bothered to speak because she's the headbutt. Why didn't he just speak? Why did he just speak? Just speak it down. Virginia Key. That was good, wasn't it? Why didn't kind of Leslie teach me how to have a deep voice? It's taken all my brains, whatever's left of my physical ability, to get you sound mum up to this point. I will be child at some stage.
East India Station.
Why don't I even do those things?
I'll be wrong.
Do that.
Pretty hard.
Oh, sorry. East India South. Yeah. It's not busy, it's not the quietest. Say at least 3 stops are completely pointless or decent.
What song we got off?
Excuse me.
All of this, so definitely don't cut your hair.
What do you mean definitely don't cut my hair?
You should get rid of your bald head here.
My hair's in a ball of hair. It's crazy. Dad.
Baffin Way.
Oh, this is the new primary school for Southampton, so. Will it ever happen?
Who does it serve though?
I would say there's there's about the right amount of spaces. No one really doesn't get into their first choice. But it's a big long truck. Who built these roads, Alan? Why are they 1 car wide? Big Sam.
Oh, those ones.
Who built these roads? Shouldn't let cars park here. It's a problem.
Flues of some description. Oh, okay.
I enjoyed this a little bit. I'm going to have my lap still.
SL4
Don't you have
to Canary Wharf.
Oh yeah, mum's another hand chucking on the bed. Best nap. It's my son having a nap to a solution to sort this.
No. People. I remember on the bed when I went for Chris and they hadn't built all of this and you used to drive around Marsh Wall and it used to just be wall, yeah, with load of concrete and industrial places on the other side. It's amazing how much they build.
There used to be McDonald's around this area. It might even literally be there.
They are building it up.
Yeah, so. But I think we've pretty much got off it now.
Billingsgate Market.
And the Burger King chips are just as nice.
Is it in the market?
Allegedly.
Why is it City of London?
Billingsgate's huge.
Fresh fish. It's a very chill journey, Sam, would you agree?
What do you mean?
Not much going on. Nice and slow.
Yeah, but it's express bus.
Yeah, there's too many stops for the express.
Churchill Place.
Oh, look. Very cool. Very cool. Oh, we need to get bleach and some coffee on the way home. Is that alright? Food probably. Yeah, let's not get off early. What? How long do we have to do a beep? Or
Yeah.
run?
I think it's just to see passenger numbers.
Yeah, they can just see whether they do that.
Canada Square South, Canary Wharf Station.
Squash competition every year or just. Is that just one? Yeah.
You good?
These seats are very upright, would you agree? We made these seats.
Guess the end of the
Very
night,
tall.
then
Oh,
we'll
they're
go.
perfect for you, Sam. Is your head
The
really
leg room is
squared?
too short.
Oh.
That's my problem.
Oh, I feel what's going to sit there.
SL4 to Canary Wharf.
You sure Mum wouldn't mind getting this bus to work every day? Good.
It's not snow. It's not snow at all.
She only does it one day a week.
It's totally not perfect to just go to Lewisham.
Really interesting is I'm so stupid, I hadn't realised that
Canary Wharf
the
Station.
main part of Blackheath is in literally Lewisham. But a nice part of Lewisham, don't mention that. Oh look, they've got a special light, right? You see that? See the indicator?
Yeah.
Flashing indicator, but you know, it can have lines. Someone enjoyed that.
Why is it like
SL4
like soft kind
to
of?
Yeah.
Canary Wharf.
I would say just at least 2 stops too many. It's the only criticism. The rest of it we enjoyed.
Leamouth.
just get rid of Fish Island and then one more stop. Because Canary to back to Blackheath is a really nice trip, isn't it? You can see why people would want to go both ways, couldn't you?
Two nice areas of London.
Yeah.
West India Avenue.
That's it, Somerset.
That's it.
Here we are, 5 to 3.
They should have no trees.
Don't change.
Cheers.